In today's project, we're going to explore an innovative way to turn food scraps into usable energy. We'll need a few materials to get started. Food scraps like fruit and vegetable peels, a small compost bin, a clear plastic container with a lid, soil, a small water heater or heat lamp, a thermometer, rubber gloves, safety goggles, measuring cups and spoons, a notebook and pen, and of course, adult supervision for safety. First things first, let's prioritize safety. Put on your rubber gloves and safety goggles before handling any materials. Now, start collecting food scraps like fruit and vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells. You can also ask your family, neighbors, or school cafeteria to contribute. Next, let's create a compost bin to collect these food scraps. Composting is an eco-friendly way to reduce waste, as it breaks down organic matter naturally. Once you have your compost bin set up, you'll want to monitor the temperature inside it. Use a thermometer and note any changes in temperature over a few weeks. Now, let's prepare the digester. Take your clear plastic container and add a layer of soil. Then, mix in the composted food scraps from your compost bin. Make sure it's thoroughly mixed. This will create the ideal environment for our experiment. To simulate the conditions needed for anaerobic digestion, we need to set up a heat source. Place the container with the mixture under a small water heater or heat lamp. The heat will provide the necessary warmth for the process to occur. Make sure to seal the container with the lid, creating an airtight environment. Over the course of several days, observe the container for the production of gas, specifically methane. This gas is a byproduct of anaerobic digestion. Use a measuring cup or container to collect any gas that accumulates, and remember to record the amount daily in your notebook. Now comes the exciting part, the energy demonstration. Carefully ignite the collected methane gas under adult supervision. It should burn like a small flame, showcasing the energy potential of the waste to energy conversion. After conducting your experiment, analyze your data. Note the temperature changes in the compost bin and the amount of gas produced. Explain the science behind anaerobic digestion, discussing how it turns waste into energy. Draw meaningful conclusions from your findings, highlighting the importance of waste to energy conversion for a more sustainable future. To wrap things up, prepare a presentation to explain your project to your class, school, or family. Include photos, graphs, and your experiment results to make it engaging and insightful. Use this opportunity to discuss the importance of waste to energy conversion and how it can contribute to a more sustainable future. Remember, safety should always be a top priority. Always follow safety guidelines and ensure adult supervision when handling heat sources or open flames. So let's get started on turning food scraps into energy and making a positive impact on our environment.